Our air conditioner has a code L3 showing. What does this mean?
Who makes your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
As far as we can remember, we haven't.
How long has this been going on with your air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Started today. Switching it off at main switch.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's all that we have noticed.
Thank you for your question. I am reviewing it and will respond in a moment. That means there is a malfunction protection of outdoor fan 1. The fan is either bad or not running due to a power issue to the fan. We are on the honor system. Please use the rate and submit button in the upper right or left corner of your page for me. That will allow you to come back anytime for free to me for any follow-up questions on the issue. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.